Hi everyone, welcome to Mass Semi English. Today we are going to see the solve examples based on gravitational. This is class 10 paper first. So today we are going to see the solve examples. Example first, Mahendra and Virat are sitting at the distance of 1 meter from each other. Their masses are 75 kg and 80 kg respectively. What is the gravitational force between them? म्हणजे काय आहे बघा, इथे महेंद्र आणि विराट बसलेले आहेत. त्यांच्यामध्ये डिस्टन्स किती आहे? 1 मीटर आहे. तर आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे बघा, त्यांनी मास पण दिलेला आहे. देअर मासेस आर 75 किलोग्राम अँड 80 किलोग्राम. महेंद्रचं मासेस आहे ते किती आहे? 75 किलोग्राम आणि विराट 80 किलोग्राम. सो आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे? ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स काढायचा. सो
जर तुम्हाला असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहायचे असतील तर आमच्या चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.
So see here how we solve that. Given r, that is distance 1 meter, mass 1, that is 75 kilogram, that is mass of Mahendra, and m2, that is mass of Virat, 80 kilogram. And we know that g is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to 11 Newton meter square kilogram square. According to Newton's law, F is equal to G into M1 into M2. Here we know that this is the formula, that is force is equal to G into M into M2 divided by R square. We know R is equal to distance, G is equal to constant, M1 is the mass of 1, M2 is the mass of 2. So see how we can solve. F is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to 11 into 75 into 18 divided by 1 square. So 1 is the r, that is distance, and we know 1 square is equal to 1. So by solving this we can get F is equal to 4.002 into 10 raised to 7 Newton. So the gravitational force between Mahendra and Virat is 4.002 into 10 raised to 7 Newton. But we know that this is very small force. If the force of friction between Mahendra and the bench on which he is sitting is 0, then he will start moving towards Virat under the action of this force. We can calculate this acceleration and velocity by using Newton's laws of motion. So we can also calculate this by using the velocity and acceleration by Newton's law. So in example second, in the above example, assuming that the bench on which Mahendra is sitting is frictionless, starting with 0 velocity, what will be Mahendra's velocity of motion towards Virat after 1 second? Will this velocity change with time and how? So we see in first example their distance are 1 meter. So here they ask for calculation of velocity of motion and will the change velocity, that can be how we can determine. So see here given that force on Mahendra F is equal to 4.002 x 10 raised to 7 Newton, and Mahendra's mass here given mass, that is 75 kilogram. According to Newton's second law, the acceleration produced by the force on Mahendra M is equal to 75 kilogram. So we know that acceleration is equal to A is equal to F upon M, and we know that F is equal to force, M is equal to mass. So by putting the values, force value, that is 4.002 into 10 raised to 7, and mass, that is Mahendra's mass, that is 75 kilogram. So by solving this, we can get 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter per second square. So using Newton's first equation, we can calculate Mahendra's velocity after 1 second. So here we can use Newton's first equation and we can calculate Mahendra's velocity after 1 second. So Newton's first equation of motion is phi is equal to u into phi is equal to u plus a into t. So as Mahendra is sitting on the bench, his initial velocity is 0. So u is equal to 0. U is the initial velocity. And we know a is the acceleration, t is the time. So assuming the bench to be frictionless. So we assume here the bench is frictionless. So here initial velocity u is equal to 0. So phi is equal to 0 plus 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 x 10 raised to minus 9 into 1 meter per second. So here 1 is the given, that is the time t. So this is time t given in the example. So by solving this 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter per second. So Mahendra's velocity after 1 second will be 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter per second. This is extremely very small velocity and the velocity will increase with time because of the acceleration. So the acceleration will also not remain constant because as Mahendra moves towards Virat, the distance between them will decrease, so causing an increase in the gravitational force, thereby increasing the acceleration as per Newton's second law of motion. So Newton's second law of motion काय म्हणतो बघा, increasing the acceleration, so there will be increase in the gravitational force. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on Mass M English. Thank you.